everyone, welcome back to another travel vlog video. We're in Ikea at the moment, Sweden. Nah, just kidding. This is the view that you get when this is Adventure in SA Adelaide's YouTube channel, and we're going to go look around Ikea as a travel vlog, but catch you on the roundabout bit. But anyway, sit back, relax, enjoy this video of Ikea's walkthrough. When you walk along the aisles, as soon as you see couches and even tables there as well. They're the best parts. Our bedrooms, okay. So we're looking at a screen. That would be nice to sit on those couches. And the kitchen benches. Oh, the beds like this. See? Yep. Yeah, okay. They're cool, yeah. Do you need to get that? No. Gonna call it what? No, we don't need that. Nah. And ignore that. Wow, we can get a couch as well, that's very nice. You can see this as well, that's very nice. In the even the staircase like this. We can't go up there because we don't have access to it. Even got the lovely couches as well. They're just couches at the moment. It's emergency exit in case you have to evacuate Ikea. More kitchens. More of these. Wow. Even more couches as well. So what did she request? It's a screen, right?
Some picture frames.
Picture frames, okay. So when we're walking on the aisles, you guys might have known, we're actually looking for picture files that we're going, what we're cruising along Ikea. So this is just, so we have the walls there, so it's the walls there with cupboard doors that we got. We even have the kitchens. The kitchen as well. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll be filmed 1 second. I got my camera lady to film it for me. So this is the kitchen area where we have this is the kitchen where things get set up. We have the other stove, which is in there. Yeah. Alright, we have to look for picture frames now. Hope you don't get that covered. Yeah, okay, right. So these wow, these are nice kitchens, as we expected. We even have the table chairs as well. We also have the bedrooms on each side. Oh wow, look at this. We even have the lights there as well. City tall buildings as well, like this. Beds. Oh, I'd love to lie down on that, but we can't anyway. We even come in here and we see going into the room around we come around the so we come around on the other side. So on the other side it's a mirror. Even we got the shower on there, not this side of the shower, but on that side is the shower. See, on that side is the shower room. This is the bathroom room where that is. On Beaumont tiles. We have the bed. Oh, bedroom's a nice one. Emergency exit again on the left in case you have to evacuate. Bunk beds here. I've never seen a bunk bed like this. You have a desk underneath the bed and then you have a bed on top. If some of you have a bunk bed like this and the table on underneath, sitting down like this, that's a nice idea. When you're sitting underneath, you have a bed on top. And you also got the little bunk bed as well, so just like this. Yeah.
Who's that for?
Little kids only.
Ah.
Yeah, I know. This is gaming desk, as I expected here. The keyboards, they're broken at the moment. Yeah, it's a nice gaming room here. We're out in the second floor, bottom floor now of Ikea. We're still looking for picture frames. They're very nice here. What picture frames? What picture frames do we need?
We need some black ones.
Thanks for watching. We had a lovely time at Ikea. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to Adventure in SA Adelaide, and there'll be travel vlogs always as usual, and I'll see you next time as we go somewhere else. Alright, bye bye.